Did you know that there is an app that will pay you for just driving your car like normal? I know it's crazy stuff, but watch this. This specific app is called onmyway.com, and it will actually pay you for driving your car and not using your phone at the same time. There are millions of users actually using this app, which is pretty cool. And the way it works is On My Way automatically activates when you're driving over 10 miles per hour. You can earn credits and exchange them for different rewards, and you get to stay safe while driving your car without actually playing with your phone. You can even refer this to your friends and get paid $2 for every successful referral and 2 cents for every mile that they drive themselves. Pretty cool stuff. So that's a pretty cool way to start earning some rewards just by driving your car and doing the things that you would normally do anyway. But again, you're not going to earn a significant amount of income. So if you would like to earn much more than that, 10 times more real full-time income online, follow exactly what I'm doing online. Just go ahead and follow me on my channel. Click on the link in my bio and go through the free training. Enjoy.